Hi, my name is Pawan. I am from Manapati. I completed my B.TECH graduation in the year of 2023 in EC branch of C.PAVAN Engineering College, and I joined in the year of 2024 of June month in Jspiders Punjagutta with full stack Java development course, and I done my Java course by Kaushik sir and Vivek sir, and I done my SQL course by Vaibhav sir, and also I done my web technology with Geeta ma'am and reacts with Geeta ma'am and as well as Shivanand sir also, and Advanced Java by Ravi sir. They taught me very well in all courses, and they encouraged me to join in the more companies, and the mock ratings, mock reviews were helped me very well for interview purposes, and mock grooming also were helped me for interview purpose, where I joined to I